Hello everyone, class 3, lesson number 5, going to a village. Very interesting chapter about a family who's going to the village and the children are going to the village for the first time. It's a chapter about four people who are traveling to the village by a train. And the name of the girls are Nitya and Aditi. Nitya and Aditi are going to their uncle to visit there to meet their uncle and aunt who live in a village. They are traveling with their parents. Nitya is very excited. Why is she excited? Because she is going to the village for the first time and keep glancing out of the train window. The kid is looking out of the train window. She has never been to a village before. She has never gone to a village before. It's the first time she is going to the village. Now, these words are spoken by Nitya. Nitya, how much longer I am waiting to play with the calves and the feed the ducks. She's saying how much time is left. I am waiting to play with the calves. Calves are the babies of cows and feed the ducks. She wants to go there and give some food to the ducks and the babies of the cow which are there in the village. Aditi, now the other sister is talking to her. Do you think they have rabbits there? Now she is excited that there might be rabbits also. Then mother says, there were no rabbits when I was a child. When mother was a child and she was in the village, there were no rabbits in the village. There are large fields where you can play with your cousins. But children, there are big fields and you can play there and enjoy with your cousins. Aditi. And what do Uncle Naresh and Auntie Rujita do? Now Uncle Naresh and Auntie Rujita live in village. They are their village uncle and auntie. And Aditi is asking, what do they do? Mothers explain them. Beta, they work on the farm. They work on the farm in the village. And what do they grow? They grow sugar cane and rice. What is grown in their farm? Sugar cane and rice. Rujita auntie also runs the girls' school. Rujita auntie is also working as a employee in girls' school. She is the owner of the girls' school in the village. This much was explained by the mother to the kids. The father continued the explanation and he said they started it last year so that the girls in the village can study in the nearby school. The family in the village, Rujita auntie and Uncle Naresh, have started the village girls' school so that the girls in the village could study. Sometimes when it is cool, they have their classes under the huge banyan tree. And children, it happens in the village then when the weather is fine, when it's cool breeze is blowing, they take classes under the trees also. Nitya, I would love to make friends with all of them. Now Nitya is saying, I'm waiting. When will I reach there? I would make friends with them. Father, looks like our station is just a few minutes away. Hey, we are going to reach to the station. Aditi said, how will we reach the farm? When we'll get to the station, how will we go to the farm? Are there autos and taxis to take us there? Now the kids are curious that they have to take auto or taxi to reach the uncle and aunt. Father, no, there are buses. No autos and taxis, but there are buses. Maybe your uncle and aunt will bring their tractor. We can ride on it to the village. And the father explained, no beta, there are no autos and taxis, but there are buses. And maybe your uncle and aunt will bring the tractor and we'll take a ride to the tractor through and we'll reach the village. Nitya, I wonder is think. I'm thinking what kind of houses they live in. She's thinking, oh, what kind of houses are there in the village? Then mother said, The houses has trees all around it. That the houses in the village have trees and a courtyard in the center. Courtyard is like a veranda in the center. There is a well at the back, and as she was when she was a small child, she went there and she's explaining the things that she has seen there, and she said that there is a well. You know, well is a place from where we can dig out water. There is a well behind the house. When we were young, we used to sit under the trees at night. When Mama was young, she used to sit under the trees at night, and Grandpa tells stories. People of the village would gather to listen to the stories. It was lovely moment in the village in the past time, children, when at the night time all people used to sit around the tree, and grandpa used to tell the stories. Sometimes it was very hot. We would sleep under the trees. They smelled so good and it felt so cool, and it was a lovely moment when at night we sleep under the tree only. Aditi, the houses in the city are usually small. Mother, well, many houses in the village are small too. Some of them have thatched roofs. You know, children, thatched roof, which are not pakka houses. They are talking about the kacha houses. That many of the houses in the village are kacha houses with thatched roofs. Some houses are big and some have tiled roofs. So mother is explaining to the kids that there are both kind of houses in the village. Father said something. The train is about to stop at our station. Hey, we are about to reach the station. Remember, it will stop here for just 2 minutes. So he's instructing the kids to get ready as they are about to reach the station, and the train will stop there only for 2 minutes. The family gets off at the station. So the family gets down from the train to the station. The platform is small and almost empty because it's a village scene. Nitya, Uncle Naresh, Auntie Rujuta. Uncle. So the kids saw Uncle Naresh and Auntie Rujuta, and she was excited and she shouted out their names. Uncle, welcome. Did you have a comfortable journey? Now uncle welcomes them and asks how was the journey. Aditi, we did. Yes, we reached. Auntie said, come this way. The tractor is parked at the end of the station. Parked is standing at the end of the station. Come, let's move towards that place. Nitya, will you drive the tractor, Auntie? Nitya is joking now. Auntie, will you drive the tractor? Auntie, why not? Would you and Aditi like to sit beside me in the front? So Auntie is saying, yes, why not, beta? I can also drive the tractor. Would you like to sit close to me in the front seat? Nitya, yes, we would. We would love to sit close to you on the tractor on the front seat. Aditi, what fun! Will the tractor take us to the fields? Now the baby is excited to take a ride on the tractor, and she's asking, will the tractor take us through the fields? Uncle, no, it might spoil the crops. They are kids, they don't know that tractor doesn't move over the fields. So uncle is explaining, no, it might spoil the crops. However, you can see the fields as we drive by. So when we will drive, you can see the fields nearby and enjoy the scene. And this story is written by Umar Raman. Thank you, kids.